Everyone is talking about ChatGPT and basic AI tools. But those generic skills are not making anyone rich anymore. The hidden opportunity is AI automation engineering. Local businesses will pay for systems that answer leads, book appointments, and update their CRM automatically. In 2026, businesses do not want more prompts. They want AI that works in the background. Your three-step blueprint is simple. First, learn a no-code stack like Make or Zapier with OpenAI, Google Sheets, and Gmail. Second, build a leads-to-booking demo that replies, checks calendars, and confirms appointments automatically. Third, show local businesses a short personalized demo instead of pitching. Find a few plumbers, roofers, or clinics, and offer a free 2-minute walkthrough. The people making real money with AI now are the system builders. Comment. Start if you want the full tutorial.